Life in a luxury yacht. Life in a luxury yacht is very different from normal life. It is quiet, it is private. It is surrounded by endless blue water. For most people, a yacht is something they see in movies or on social media. But for billionaires and wealthy families, it can feel like a floating home, a private world that moves across oceans. So what is life really like on a luxury yacht? Let's step on board. Waking up on the water. Imagine waking up in a large bedroom with floor-to-ceiling windows. The first thing you see is the ocean. The sunlight reflects softly on the water. There are no car sounds, no city noise, just gentle waves. You step out onto your private balcony. The air smells fresh and clean. Maybe the yacht is anchored near Greece. Maybe it is close to Monaco. Every morning, the view changes. This is how many owners begin their day. Breakfast with a view. On a luxury yacht, you don't cook your own meals. A professional chef prepares everything. Breakfast might include fresh tropical fruits, warm pastries, fresh juice, coffee made exactly how you like it. You eat outside on the deck while looking at the sea. The crew make sure everything is perfect. You don't have to ask twice. Service on a super yacht is similar to a 5-star hotel, but more private. The crew behind the luxury. Life on a luxury yacht looks relaxing for the guests. But behind the scenes, a full team is working. A large yacht can have a captain, engineers, deck crew, stewards and stewardesses, private chefs, security. Some yachts have 20 crew members. Larger ones can have 50 or more. They clean, cook, navigate, and maintain the yacht every day. Everything runs smoothly because of them. Guests relax. The crew works quietly in the background, traveling without airports. One of the best parts of life on a yacht is freedom. There are no airports, no waiting in lines, no crowded flights. If the owner wants to go to Italy tomorrow, the captain plans the route. The yacht moves overnight. By morning, you wake up somewhere new. You can visit the French Riviera, the Amalfi Coast, the Caribbean islands, the Maldives. The ocean becomes your road. Fun and adventure. Luxury yachts are not just for relaxing. They are also full of activities. Many yachts carry jet skis, tenders, small boats, snorkeling gear, scuba diving equipment, paddle boards, water slides. Some even have mini submarines. Guests can explore hidden beaches or dive into clear blue water. They can swim in private areas where no one else is around. Every day feels like a private vacation. Relaxation and wellness. Modern luxury yachts focus heavily on comfort and wellness. Many yachts include spa rooms, massage areas, saunas, steam rooms, gyms, swimming pools. After swimming or exploring, guests can get a massage or relax in a jacuzzi while watching the sunset. Even at sea, life feels calm and controlled. Evenings at sea? Evenings on a yacht are special. As the sun sets, the sky turns orange and pink. The ocean becomes peaceful and dark. Soft lights glow around the deck. Dinner is served under the stars. It may include fresh seafood, wagyu steak, fine wine, gourmet desserts. Some yachts have outdoor movie screens. Others have private cinemas inside. Guests can watch films, listen to music, or simply enjoy the silence of the sea. There are no city lights, just stars above and water below. Privacy above all. For many wealthy owners, privacy is the biggest reason to own a yacht. Hotels have staff and other guests. Private islands still have security and workers. But a yacht can move. If photographers appear in one location, the yacht simply sails away. It becomes a floating safe space far from crowds, cameras, and noise. The cost of this lifestyle. Life on a luxury yacht is beautiful, but it is extremely expensive. A large yacht can cost hundreds of millions of dollars to build, millions per year to maintain. Fuel, crew salaries, repairs, docking fees, everything adds up. Even smaller luxury yachts can cost millions each year to operate. This lifestyle is only possible for the ultra-wealthy. Is it always perfect? Life on a yacht sounds perfect, but it also has challenges. Storms can delay travel. Maintenance never stops. The crew works long hours. And being at sea for long periods can feel isolated. For some owners, the yacht is used only a few weeks per year. For others, it becomes a second home, a floating world. At its core, life in a luxury yacht is about freedom. Freedom to move, freedom to relax, freedom to escape. It combines travel, privacy, comfort, and adventure into one floating world. While most people may never experience this lifestyle, it continues to capture the imagination. Because there is something powerful about seeing a massive white yacht resting quietly on the blue sea. It represents success, It represents luxury. It represents possibility. And somewhere out there, as the sun sets over calm waters, life continues aboard a floating palace far away from the world.